Jain sir, Jain everyone. I am Rohit Chhetri, serial number 37. The topic that I'll be talking about in today's lecturette is global warming. Now, global warming, what is it? Global warming is the abnormal warming of the Earth's atmosphere due to various presence of greenhouse gases. Now, there can be a lot of greenhouse gases present in the Earth's atmosphere, and one of the most important one is carbon dioxide, along with chlorofluorocarbons and other fluorocarbons. Now, there's a question: how does carbon dioxide increase the Earth's atmosphere's temperature? One of the main reasons is that carbon dioxide traps sunlight that comes from the sun and does not allow it to go out into space. There's a mechanism of the earth that the equal amount of energy in terms of heat is being trapped in and also released by the earth. As a result, it helps in maintaining the temperature of the earth. However, due to presence of carbon dioxide and other chlorofluorocarbons, the excess amount of sunlight that comes from the sun is being trapped. Now, you may feel, what are the sources of carbon dioxide? The sources of carbon dioxide are many. Well, there are other natural sources which we are not going to talk about. However, we will always talk about artificial sources of carbon dioxide. Now, when we burn fossil fuels like petroleum, kerosene, diesel, etc., coal, we get a huge amount of release of carbon dioxide. As a result, carbon dioxide levels increases. Now, what are the preventive measures of carbon dioxide? Well, as we know, trees take in carbon dioxide and increase oxygen, and release oxygen and increase the level of oxygen. As a result, we have to plant more trees in the earth and increase afforestation, while thereby decreasing deforestation. And also, we can use renewable resources for energy generation instead of using fossil fuels. The examples of renewable resources are tidal energy, hydroelectric energy, nuclear energy, etc. To sum up my lecturette, I would like to say that global warming is a global issue and it should be taken care of, and hence conferences should be made all over the world to bring in measures and methods to control the release of carbon dioxide and chlorofluorocarbon into the atmosphere. Thank you.